quick ab workout that you can complete in 5 minutes or less? I got you. This workout has only 3 moves: crunches, a side plank, and bicycles. Let's do it. Go ahead and lay on your back and bring your hands behind your head. You can inhale at the bottom and exhale, lift up and crunch. Inhale down, exhale out. We're going for 15. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't forget to breathe. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Nicely done. Go ahead and turn on your side. Side plank, bring your elbow underneath your shoulder, and you can either tuck your bottom knee and lift up from here, or you can stack your feet, your choice. We're gonna use the arm to count for 10. You're gonna reach up and overhead, and then sweep your hand down. That's 1, 2, bring it down. 3, bring it down. Make sure to keep your head up. 4, back to your hip. 5, and again. You got it. 6, 7. Oh yeah, starting to feel good. 8, bring it down. 9, last one. 10, 10. Release your hand, release your hips. And we're gonna return onto our back for those bicycle crunches. Hands behind your head this time. Lift your feet up off the floor, flex your feet. Take your right leg forward, twist to the left, opposite knee and elbow, then switch. We're going for 20. That's 2, 3, nice and slow, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, almost there, 13, 14, 15, 16, you got it, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, lay back. Whew. Give your belly a quick break, and then we're gonna go for round 2. Starting with crunches again, hands behind your head. We're going for 15. 1, 2, it burns a little more this time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, woo, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, almost there, 13, 14, keep those elbows wide, 15, woo, all right, side plank, second side this time. Remember that you can either be on your knee or stack your feet. Start with your arm up. You're going to reach overhead and down, going for 10, 2, and bring it down. Keep your hips up. 3, bring it down. 4, and down. 5, woo, feels good. 6, oh yeah, I like that side stretch. 7, because it's really good for your hips, your shoulders. I think that's 8, and your back. 9, bring it down. Last one. 10. Bicycles for the win. Bring your hips down, lay on your back. Hands behind your head. If you want a different variation, feet can stay on the ground. You're going to bring your knee opposite elbow and switch. That's 2, 3, and 4. Remember the other variation. 5, 6, going to 20, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, home stretch, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew. stretch your legs forward. Oh yeah, get those abs nice and stretched out. Whew. Nicely done. That was your ab workout for today. If you like this video, please make sure to share it with somebody you know who would enjoy it too. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick workouts that you can do anywhere.